How to disassemble a Glock 19 style pistol. First, we'll make sure the weapon is safe and the chamber is clear. There's no round in the chamber. Afterwards, point in a safe direction and pull the trigger. Next step, we're going to grab the gun at the back, wrap your fingers around the top of the slide. Using both fingers, we're going to pull down on the slide stop. Continue to ride the slide forward. The slide has now been removed from the frame. Next, we can remove the guide rod and spring assembly from the barrel and the slide. Next, we can remove the barrel. Now we have field stripped our Glock 19 style pistol and it's ready to be cleaned and lubricated.